This video is brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way Cybersalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. I'm trying to save a user profile here in Kunena Forum in the back end, and when I click save, I get this message right here: unknown column bsky app in field list. Did a bit of searching in the Kunena Forum. There's a code that needs to be run. It looks like something is wrong in the update in one version, and so here's how to fix it. We're going to copy this code here. I don't know if it will, I can paste this in the video description, but it will be on the page in the Joomla training cohort. And I will post a link to this forum post as well. Copy this code, go into your web hosting control panel, and go to PHP My Admin. Then you're going to click on the database, which is for your Joomla site. And you're basically going to go to SQL tab, and you're going to paste that code. Now there's a change you need to make though. Right up here where there is a number sign or a hash and an underscore, you need to change those two first characters to what the prefix is for your database. And here we can see it's J6TWA. So we will go J6TWA. And then all we have to do is go down here and click go and run that. We get a green, that worked. And now let's go back to our site here. We'll click back. And I'm going to save the user. And the table has been repaired. Subscribe for more videos. Till the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.